to add Seesaw audio to a page, what you'll do, so here's our page, and what we're focusing on is this whole main image right here, okay? So when on your page, you'll have a whole main image. What you can do is you can right click on that image, or you can click on this microphone. So I'm gonna right click on the image and you can add voice here, or you can click here and it'll add voice. But this one, you have to record the voice on the spot. Okay, so if you already have it pre-recorded, it won't let you do that. You have to do new audio using a mic right then and there. What's nice with Seesaw now is they added a voice part here. So you can click on that and you can upload audio. So I'm going to upload an audio that I already have. So I'm going to go to find that. Let's see here. So this is CBC and where you have cat. And it's best to use MP3s. M4As can sometimes give errors. Okay, so mine's going to put cat. Okay, and now you notice there's a little thing right here, that speaker. So this is the whole page now. Okay, so you can click on that and it will say the word cat. So if students see this, maybe you have like an ELL student and they're not sure the English name for cat, they can click on that and they can hear the word cat. All right, so that's how you add audio. You can do it through the speaker, the microphone here. This one you have to record on the spot, or once again, you can right click and click voice and you can do it there. This one was recorded or in person.